Hey, this is Andrew Brown, and we are talking about Amazon AppFlow, which is a managed integration service for data transfer between data sources, easily exchange data with 80 plus cloud services by specifying a source and destination. So the idea is that you can take something from like S3 and place it into Google Sheets. In theory, it sounds really good and it looks really easy, but when it comes to establishing those connections, you do have to configure them, and it can be extremely painful. I really tried to produce a lab for this. I really don't know if I will try to make one again because it's so finicky to get those connections established. But anyway, the idea is that in theory, this is supposed to be an easy way to connect services. We have three different types of flow triggers: run on demand, run on event, or run on schedule. Some features here: it creates data flows between apps within minutes, which is a lie because the configuration part takes forever to figure out. Aggregate data from multiple sources. Data can be encrypted at rest or in transit. Use partition and aggregation settings to optimize query performance. Develop custom connectors via the Amazon AppFlow Custom Connector SDK. You can create private flows via AWS Private Link. You can use catalog data transfer to S3 via the AWS Glue data catalog. The only way I see this working within minutes is if you've established those connections already and they work. But configuring those connections just take forever. Even from S3 to like an RDS database, I struggled with, and it's not great. But anyway, Amazon AppFlow supports 80 plus applications, so we have a lot that we can work with. I'm just going to tell you, Google is really difficult to connect to, and I mean, just in general, it is challenging. But if you can get those connections to work, in theory, it's supposed to be really easy. Okay, so there you go.